In this video, I will show how to responsive and where to display your team. So search this plugin team members. This is the easy to use and popular and good rating, a responsive and clean way, to display your team. Create members, add their positions, bios and more, and copy paste the shortcut anywhere. So this is the useful and easy to use team member plugin. Install and activate and try this plugin. Share your experience via comment section. And guys, if you are facing any problem to use this plugin, so comment. I will try to resolve that problem. So this is the short and basic way to learn how to create and how to display your team in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.